What's up, warriors? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the art of toughness. You're sick of being pushed around, and you're ready to take control. Well, buckle up, because I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs that'll turn you into an unstoppable force. Here are often hardcore tips to unleash your inner tough guy. 1. Build a solid physique. First things first, tough guys are built like tanks. Hit the gym like it owes you money. Lift heavy, sweat hard, and push yourself to the limit. No excuses, no shortcuts. You want muscles that command respect and intimidate the weaklings. 2. Master the art of confidence. Walk with your head held high and your chest puffed out. Confidence is your weapon, so wield it like a pro. Speak with conviction, look people in the eye, and never back down from a challenge. You're not just confident, you're borderline arrogant, and that's exactly how a tough guy operates. 3. Develop a killer mindset. Tough guys don't whine or make excuses. They tackle obstacles head-on and bulldoze through adversity. Train your mind to be as resilient as your body. Visualize success, set ambitious goals, and crush anything that stands in your way. Failure is not an option. It's just a temporary setback on your path to greatness. 4. Embrace fearlessness. Fear is for the weak. Tough guys laugh in the face of danger and embrace the thrill of the unknown. Whether it's confronting your boss, asking out that hottie, or taking on a new challenge, dive in head first and show no mercy. Fortune favors the bold, and you're as bold as they come. 5. Hone your street smarts. In the concrete jungle, only the savvy survive. Learn to read people like a book and trust your instincts. Know when to assert your dominance and when to lay low. Stay one step ahead of the game and always have a plan B, and C, and D. Adaptability is key, so stay sharp and stay ahead of the pack. 6. Stay cool under pressure. Tough guys don't crack under stress, they thrive on it. Practice keeping your cool in high-pressure situations. Take deep breaths, focus on the task at hand, and let your instincts guide you. Remember, panic is for pansies. 7. Learn to fight, but choose your battles wisely. Sometimes, you gotta throw down. But being tough isn't just about throwing punches, it's about knowing when to hold M and when to fold M. Pick your battles wisely and only fight when absolutely necessary. And when you do, make sure you come out on top. 8. Own your mistakes. Tough guys aren't perfect, but they own up to their screw-ups. If you mess up, admit it like a man and learn from it. No excuses, no blaming others, just take responsibility and move forward. It's called accountability, and it's what separates the boys from the men. 9. Cultivate mental toughness. Toughness isn't just about muscles, it's about mindset. Train your brain to be as tough as your body. Challenge yourself, push your limits, and refuse to give up, no matter how tough things get. Remember, pain is temporary, but mental toughness is forever. 10. Led by example. A true tough guy doesn't just look out for himself, he leads others to greatness. Be a role model for those around you. Show them what it means to be fearless, determined, and resilient. Inspire others to step up their game and become the best versions of themselves. There you have it, tough guy. 10 hardcore tips to help you dominate any situation life throws your way. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and show the world what you're made of. You've got this. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to smash that like button and subscribe for more hardcore content. Until next time, stay tough.